Welcome to Wednesday Web Chat. This is Carl Lewis, your host from Vision 33. And today we are continuing our series on Crystal Reports Designer. And the topic today is going to be all about parameters. So let's jump right in today and take a look at some explanations about parameters in SAP Business One and how we might use them. And then we'll go through a demonstration which will really help you have an idea of how parameters are designed, created, and applied in SAP Business One. And the very special integration we have with Crystal Reports Designer. So using parameters, what do parameters do? Well, parameters prompt the user of a report to enter information. And now that information can determine what appears in the report. It can even change the way the report processes. By using parameter fields, whether it be in formulas or selection formulas, and even in the report itself, you can create one single report that can change and meet multiple reporting needs for users. A parameter field can be identified by French braces and a question mark before the parameter name. For example, here you'll see a left French brace, a question mark, the name of the parameter, and a closed or right French brace. So it's appropriate that it's a question mark because a parameter, a prompt before a report runs, is really asking you a question. You know, what date range do you want? What business partners would you like to include? Things of that nature. So parameter setup and usage now in Crystal Reports Designer is really quite different when you use SAP Business One than when you've used Crystal Reports perhaps in any other role that you may have had in your career. So take note that you cannot use the parameter setup the way that Crystal Reports Designer does it for other applications. It is special and unique for SAP Business One ever since version 8.8, which is, getting to be 10 years back now or a little bit more. So it's important that people have this knowledge. So what can you use parameters for? Well, you can select document dates. You can select business partners. You can select specific document numbers